How to create a new project in Visual Studio. Now, if you haven't downloaded Visual Studio yet, all you have to do is to pull up your preferred web browser and then head over to your search bar and then type in download Visual Studio for Windows. Now, I'm currently using Windows 10 right now, so I'm going to be downloading specifically for Windows. Now, once you click on visualstudio.microsoft.com, you will be routed to this page, and all you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on free download for Windows 64. Now, once you have obtained the software, all you have to do on your desktop is right click, go to new, and create a new folder. You'll just have to simply name that folder as new project. Now access your Visual Studio, and from here go to file and click on open folder, and head to that folder that you just created and click on that, select folder. From there, you have now created a new project. All you have to do is do whatever you want from Visual Studio and you're good to go. Now that's how you create a new project on Visual Studio.